يا نعم المولى ويا نعم النصير يا الله.
Dua to get release from debt and to be protected from haram things. Narrated by Ali radiallahu anhu, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you recite this dua and you had a debt upon you similar to the mountain of Seir, then Allah would fulfill it for you. Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramika wa agnini bifadlika amman siwak. O Allah, suffice me with your lawful against your prohibited, and make me independent of all those besides you. Jame Tirmizi, Hasan.